Hello everyone. I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'll teach you a few things about text, like dictionaries and a couple of things you can do in text and a few more things. So let's get started. So the first text thing I want to mention, if you didn't know, is hashtag hello maybe. So what this does is it like it doesn't do anything. Like it's just like a thing to help like if you're like a code writer and someone else is like looking at your code, like you could type like this is just for helping you. Oops, I forgot the P, but don't worry, that's just what it does. So if I do this maybe, this happens. So it gives a syntax error. But watch if I do this. So if I do this, nothing happens. Okay, so that's just the first part of the text. Next thing I want to teach you is dictionaries. So let's just type someone's name, for example. Like maybe person equals uh we do this. The name equals my name maybe. Yeah, we'll do my name. And then we will do maybe age. No, so this we don't put equals there, we do this. And now we'll put space and we'll put comma and then put space. And then age equals 12 and maybe likes likes. So we'll fix this here too. Likes. And we'll do another thing. And we'll do this. We'll use, by the way, I forgot to tell you this. We could use that if you want to, but you can also use this bracket and you can also use, I can't find the other one, but it's like this curvy one. Yeah. It's like this. It's like this. So yeah, you can use those too, but I would just use this for now. So lakes. Well, also we'll just do this for lists. We use this type of brackets. And math, science, space. Wait, so we'll write this separately. Math, and we'll add science, coding, gaming. So we'll write it in this font. So yeah, these are some things I like. So I'll just do this. And okay, so this is wrong. So let me just fix that. Let's just use this. Let's just use this one. So we'll just fix this problem. And we'll remove this. So we'll also add this bracket. Oh yeah, it was this one. Yeah, I was talking about that bracket. I couldn't find it on keyboard. So yeah, that's the bracket I was talking about. And we'll fix these so it doesn't make a syntax error. So yeah, we'll do this. And there we go. So this also creates an error because you don't want to do that here. Let's just fix that. So let's do this and I'll show you what we have to do. So we also would want, if we added this, we also want to add this as well. So don't forget to add that as well. So we'll delete this instead and add this. Now we'll type print person. See? Print name. Oops. So we'll do this instead. Print age. So see, this happens. We don't want to do that. Instead, you have to do something different if you want that. I'll teach that later in the lesson. So, yep. So, yeah, if you want to like make a list in Python, you gotta use these brackets or like these brackets. You don't want the parentheses, you want those brackets. And now let me also like tell you something else. So let's just type print and let's type hello uh, and wait, so let's do this again. So add we'll add this and we'll add triple quotes. Hello world. My name is, and I'll type my name here. And I'll add 3 of these and there we go. See? It prints it like that. And there's one more thing I want to do. Print E and wait, print wait, so we'll do this print. Wait, so we want this to happen. We'll do this. Oops. And then we'll put a space and add the letter P. Print. Oops, I forgot that again. So then print E. Now see, if you ever want to do that, that won't work. So it's because like two of these prints will like cause an error. So you don't want that to you don't really want to do that. So yeah. Okay, so for the recap of this lesson, I'll just like do this. So if you put a hashtag and like type anything you want, it won't create a syntax there. This also works for numbers. And if you also were asking me, does this work for special keys, like the special characters? Well, guess what? Yes, it does. It works for anything. But watch out, if you do print, maybe for example, print hello, it'll stop the code. That's just like a code breaker. It just writes it there, but nothing happens. But if I just like do this, it says syntax error, trace back most recent call last, then it'll start an error, the name error. And you don't want that. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson about the text, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next lesson.